Start.
Resources are valuable because they fulfill human needs. As our needs increase and technology develops further, we need more of these resources to meet our demands. So, the use of our raw natural resources such as water, sunlight, wind, metal, plants and animals has gone up a lot over the past few centuries. Today, resources are used in many more ways in addition to the way they were used earlier. Water was earlier used for drinking, washing and growing crops. In addition to the earlier uses, can you list some uses of water that have developed over the last few centuries? Click the Modern Uses button to learn more. Today, water is also used for generating hydroelectricity. It is utilized in industries. It is also used in the entertainment industry, such as in water parks and water sports. Earlier, energy from the sun was used for drying things. The sun was also used to figure out directions and to tell the time. Can you think of any modern uses of the sun? Click the Modern Uses button to learn more. Now, the sun is seen as an important source of energy. Solar energy is today used to generate electricity. The heat from the sun is also used in solar cookers and geysers. Some modern instruments like calculators also operate on solar energy. Wind is a natural resource that has been used for centuries for sailing, threshing grains, and even for flying kites. How is wind as a resource used now for productive purposes? Click the Modern Uses button to learn more. Wind is now looked upon as an important source of energy. Wind turbines use wind energy to generate electricity. Wind is also used when hot air balloons move laterally in the air. Metals were earlier used for making utensils, jewelry, and weapons as well. Can you think of ways in which metals are used now in modern times? Click the Modern Uses button to learn more. In modern times, metals are used in various new ways. For instance, cars are made of metal. Metals are also extensively used for construction. Railway trains and tracks are also made from metals. Trees and plants have always provided food and medicine. The wood from trees was also used extensively as firewood. Can you think of any new ways in which plants and trees are being used now? Click the Modern Uses button to learn more. Wood is now used in making furniture more than ever before. Use of trees in making paper has also increased over the last few centuries. Today, plants are being used to manufacture biofuel like ethanol, which can be used as fuel in automobiles. Animals were earlier used in agriculture, for their milk, and for transportation. How has the use of animals changed or increased in modern times? Click the Modern Uses button to learn more. In modern times, animals like dogs are used in crime investigation. animals are also used in medicine as agents. For instance, snake poison is used to make antivenom, which helps in treating bites and stings. Pets are also used nowadays for relieving stress and for therapeutic purposes. The main engine driving all these changes in the use of resources are human beings. They are in fact the most important resource. Their labor as well as their intellectual potential can be used to bring out the utility of all other resources. However, humans should use natural resources carefully so that they are not exhausted or wasted. Otherwise, we could face a scarcity of these in the future.